In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView for market analysis and how to use the Topstep platform to place trades based on the insights you gather. Our journey today will guide you through utilizing TradingView's robust charting and alert features, how to manually place trades on the Topstep platform, and a quick exploration into optional alert automation for more advanced users. Let's begin with TradingView, which is a very powerful tool for market analysis. It offers extensive charting capabilities and customizable alerts that give you a comprehensive view of market conditions, trends, and potential trade opportunities. Spend a bit of time familiarizing yourself with different types of charts available and how they align with your analysis needs. Make use of the customizable indicators and tools to identify trade setups that meet your criteria. You can set alerts on TradingView for price levels or specific indicator thresholds to make sure you never miss a critical market move. This can be a great way to stay on top of potential opportunities without constantly monitoring the charts. Once you have identified potential trade setups through your analysis on TradingView, it's time to manually place your trades on the Topstep trading platform. Topstep gives you the opportunity to demonstrate your trading skills in a simulated environment, offering real-time market data that mirrors live trading conditions. When you receive an alert from TradingView or spot an opportunity, navigate over to the Topstep platform or your supported broker's interface. Check all trade parameters, inputting your order details carefully to ensure they're accurately reflected. This includes the entry price, the number of positions, and any stop losses or take profits you wish to enforce. Double check everything to avoid any unintended mistakes when executing your trades. For those of you looking to take things a step further, there is an option to automate alerts using webhook URLs in TradingView. By setting up these alerts, you can send trade signals to third-party automation services or bots. This can potentially save time and reduce manual error. However, configuring such bots to place trades through brokers requires an advanced setup and is not officially supported by Topstep at this time. So, if you're interested in exploring this route, ensure you proceed with caution and thoroughly test your automations in a risk-free environment before considering any real applications. Lastly, it is crucial to keep yourself updated with the latest from both TradingView and Topstep. As technology evolves and partnerships grow, new integrations and supported brokers might become available. Make it a habit to check for any recent announcements or updates from both platforms. This will help ensure that you are making the most out of the available technology and staying ahead of the curve when it comes to trading tools and functionalities. By following these steps and keeping informed, you'll be well equipped to analyze markets efficiently and apply your strategy effectively on the Topstep platform.